Okay, so hello everyone. Today I'm here to just discuss about the difference between four things when it comes to dictionary. One is delete, second one is the clear, then the third one it is pop, and the fourth one it is pop item. So first of all, what is the difference between all these four? Del delete is a keyword. Then remaining three, that is clear, pop and pop item. They all are method. Then purpose of all the three methods are different. Clear will clear entire dictionary. Then pop, obviously based on the index given, it will remove the element. And next is the pop item. So it will delete the last entry of our dictionary. And delete, as I said, it is a keyword. So it will only delete whatever you have passed as a key. You can delete entire dictionary also by writing del and the name of the dictionary variable. So we'll check the example quickly. Suppose a is equal to, I am writing 1 comma 1 colon pqr, some name I will write Sahil. Okay, then 2 colon I will write Raj, that is single quotation. Okay, then 3 and colon I will write one more name, for example Dhruv, and then again comma, and I will write 4 colon, and again in single quotation I will write Siddharth. Okay, and again comma and 5, and I will write one more name Vicky. Okay, so and then I will press enter. So now we have stored everything in the dictionary A. First we will print only A. Okay, it is giving me correct output. So one by one we will start. First with the delete. So I am writing hashtag DEL. Okay, so suppose you are interested in deleting a particular element. Okay, so what I will write? I will write DEL, then space. DEL is a keyword, not function, not method. Then I will write A, that is our dictionary name, and then inside of that I will pass one key. Okay, and then I will press enter. Now if I print A, it is showing me 2 Raj, then 3 Dhruv, 4 Siddharth and 5 Vicky. It is not showing me the first one. So that is delete. Then we will come to clear at last actually, because it will clear entire dictionary. Okay. So otherwise we can go ahead right now also, like suppose d dot clear, but it is a function, or as I said, method. Okay, sorry, D is not our dictionary. Our dictionary name is A. So A dot clear function and enter. And if I write print A, you all can see it is now empty dictionary. So that is all about the second one, that is clear. Okay. Then the third one is the pop. Okay. So I will create one more time, same thing only. Copy paste. Now the next is nothing but the pop. Now what is the meaning of the pop? That particular index number value, if you want to remove, then you can remove using the pop. So for example, a dot pop, again as I said, it is a function, and index number 2. Okay, index means 2 means key 2, sorry. So it has removed which value? Raj. So if I write print A, so it is showing 1, 3, 4 and 5 as a key. And the last one, that is hashtag, I am writing pop item. Okay, and we would like to do the pop item with the same our dictionary A only. So pop item. Okay, and then I will press enter. So last one is this. So it is showing me both key also, value also. In pop, it is showing me value, but it has removed both the things, key also and value also. If you want, we can check now. Print A. So 1, 3, and 4. So this is all about delete, clear, pop, and pop item. Thank you.